Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joy. In today's video I am going to be making jacket potato with baked beans, and I'm going to be making it my way. Jacket potato is a common meal that people eat in the UK and I love it. So today I'm going to be sharing with you the way I cook my jacket potato. So these are the ingredients for my jacket potato and baked beans. I have my 2 potatoes here that I'm going to be baking, putting in the oven. I'm going to show you how I make the jacket potato, the baked beans, and the coleslaw. First, I'm starting with my potatoes. I've already washed my potatoes earlier. Now I will use a knife to poke my potatoes and wrap them in foil paper. I like using these tricks because it helps cook the potato faster. You can also just poke in your potatoes and throw it in the oven with the right temperature and right baking time. It's going to be fine. My oven is set on Mark 6 temperature for gas oven. Now I'm going to place my potatoes in the oven and leave it there for an hour. You can cook yours on the equivalent temperature based on the type of oven you have at home. So as my potato is in the oven for an hour, I am going to move on to prepping for my baked beans. So as you can see, I am cutting my onions, pepper, garlic, and sausages. All I'm trying to do here is to add flavor to the baked beans and make the dish more appetizing. These are my ingredients for the baked beans. To add to the flavor, I prefer to use butter to fry my ingredients. Now I can let my butter melt and allow the water in the butter to fry out. And then add in my ingredients and let it fry for about 3 to 4 minutes. After letting it fry for a few minutes, I now put in a little bit of seasoned oil and a little bit of Italian seasoning. Now I can stir it and then add my baked beans to it. After putting in the baked beans, I stir it and cover it up and let it simmer while I move on to the coleslaw. Starting with my coleslaw, I first cut off the piece of cabbage that I would need, washed it and chop it up. Then I move to the carrots. I peel it, wash it and grate it. For the onion, I'm going to grate a little bit. That will make a teaspoonful, and then cut a piece into small chops and add it for colors. Now I can add my lemon and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and mix together before adding my milk and mayonnaise. Now I add in my milk and mayonnaise and mix them all together. The milk is part of the dressing. It loosens up the mayonnaise to make a sauce-like consistency for the coleslaw, and it also adds to the flavor. Now that my coleslaw is all ready, I'll put it aside and check on my baked beans. My baked beans looks ready. This is grated cheddar cheese. I am going to be using this as a topping for my jacket potato. Now that our potato and everything else is ready, let's make a plate for our thumbnail. I have to be very careful because this potato is hot. As you can see, I am using my knife to cut open the potato and then use my fingers to press on both sides to open it up. Now that we have done all of that, it is time to put on the toppings. For me, I like to put my cheese first and then my hot baked beans on top so that the heat can melt the cheese. So guys, this is it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please remember to subscribe to this channel. Remember to like, comment, and share. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.